positive changes in her life, but what about the changes to her look? With just 2 days of 2012 under our belts, plastic surgeon and author Dr. Anthony Youn breaks down what he feels are the best and worst plastic surgeries of the last year.
Kris Jenner looks almost as young as her daughters, and I think Kris is a good example of growing older gracefully, but maybe with a little bit of help. On last season's Keeping Up with the Kardashians, she underwent a facelift by a top-name Beverly Hills plastic surgeon, where her jawline and her neckline was tightened up.
Mom, you look so fab. It looks gorgeous.
And if you take a look at pictures of her, there is no sign of any jowls at all. Kris is a great example of good plastic surgery. Bristol Palin debuted a completely different look last year. She claims that her nice and tight jawline and the changes to her facial structure was due to corrective jaw surgery to help her teeth align better. But I think she may have also had some conservative liposuction done under her chin as well. Overall, I think Bristol Palin looks amazing, though. Another example of good plastic surgery, in my opinion, is Annalynne Mccord. Now, she appears to have undergone a nip and tuck of her own, as her breasts appear to have enlarged in size from an A to a C cup. I think overall she looks great, her breasts fit her frame really well, and she is an example of great plastic surgery.
You recently got your nose done. Are you happy with it? Is it weird to talk about it and have people talk about it?
No, I am so happy about it. It's the best result.
You may not have liked Vienna from The Bachelor, but if you take a peek at her nose, you've got to like that. She is an example of a great nose job where the bump was taken off her nose to de-emphasize it, and nobody can argue that she looks amazing now. She looks much better than she did before. LeAnn Rimes has lost a lot of weight. While her body and her face has gotten thinner, her breasts somehow have stayed the same size or even gotten larger. So I believe she's had a pretty well-performed breast augmentation. If I could give her one word of advice, though, as a physician, it's gain a little bit of weight, she'll be healthier, and I bet you she's even going to look better. Suzanne Somers just may be the worst plastic surgery of 2011. Her cheeks are overly plumped, and her lips are completely plumped up as well. They look like two hot dogs. There are rumors that she may have had a stem cell facelift, and this is a procedure where the skin of the face is tightened, but fat that has been supercharged with stem cells is injected into the face. Lindsay Lohan appears to have had a lot of plastic surgery over the years, and when you take a look at her picture, her lips are excessively plumped. I mean, they really look like two smoky link sausages. So I believe that she had her lips plumped up with a filler like Restylane, and that causes the borders or the outlines of the lips to be accentuated. This is not something that can occur just with gaining weight or maybe some lip gloss.
We all can't be Angelina Jolie, but who had the absolute worst plastic surgery of the year? Final 45 has the answer, and it ain't pretty. Next.